Good morning. I wanted to ask, it's maybe I have a misunderstanding, but I thought that if I skipped the LIRR Metro North thing, I could speak 4 minutes here, but maybe I'm wrong about that.
Mr. Haynes, I think you're wrong about that. I know you're wrong about that, but why don't we start the clock for Mr. Haynes as of now so he hasn't used up.
All right, well, that was an expression of generosity anyway, so good.
There you go.
I've tried to impress upon you, this committee in particular, the importance of preserving the configuration that was brought in at the height of U.S. railroad engineering. 1930, the, what is it, Hall, is it called, opened with the Atlantic Track 1, for instance. Now, you only need to move that less than a train's width to get in 4 tracks there so they don't get scrunched down in going west, because they had fewer switches at the time. They didn't need them in the 30s. There was not much traffic. And you can look at it and see where it was a northern track, an additional track could have gone straight through. And then you wouldn't have that bad reverse curve tangent there that's only 12 feet long. That's permanent, I guess. They won't change that in this new, in these new developments. The bridge at the end of the new platform, you have one that goes up over an old flyover that's intended for eastbound, and the other one goes down onto the new bridge that looks like it's wide enough for 2 tracks, but maybe it's not. Are we finished yet? And it's an insult. It's an insult to you. Who is conversant in track configuration? You have to study it, or, just look at the tracks. It's very interesting, but I know from rail foamers everywhere, they find everything interesting but tracks. And maybe that's the problem. I don't know.
Please conclude your remarks.
That's the end of it.